Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be going over on how to identify a weak low. So a weak low is automatically made when a strong high is made. So once a strong high is made, all right, that low automatically becomes weak once it forms. Once that low is formed, that low will automatically become weak. So we know that in the future, that low is going to get taken and it's not going to hold. Sure, you get a reaction, but it's not going to hold. It'll become weak. It's automatically weak once a strong high is made. Now, if your bias is bearish, the order flow is bearish, right? Then that strong high is going to hold. A lot of factors come into play for a strong high to hold, right? Well, typically, a strong high will create a weak low. Simple as that. Doesn't matter what time frame, 1 minute, seconds, daily, weekly, a strong high will create a weak low. All right, that's it for now. On to the next one.